Welcome to day 5, weighed in at 172.4 pounds this morning. I have to make something clear. I'm not here to promote carnivory as a religion. Carnivory is a tool we use to accomplish certain goals. Red meat is nutrient dense. It contains all 9 essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair, immune function, and enzyme production. Some crucial nutrients aren't found in any significant quantities outside of red meat. We're talking about bioavailable iron, vitamin B12, zinc, creatine, taurine, choline. They're all essential for oxygen repair, nerve function, muscle repair, robust immune system, and organ health. Meat is the most satiating of all foods, meaning you'll be fuller for longer with less food intake.
Some people say that carnivory is cost prohibitive. It's not. As of November 2024, I'm paying $8.79 for 30 eggs at Costco. I bought this grass-fed, grass-finished beef at $4.99 a pound. It's cheaper when you buy in bulk. In this case, I bought half a cow. And done. I got 10 meals for $42.58. That's $4.25 a meal.
I also have sardines in spring water and soft-boiled eggs for snacks. On carnivory, eat until you're full. Stick with whole, non-processed meats. Peace out.